All right, so let's go over how this package is gonna come to you. We've got it in a simple bag with the Airmarksman logo. You got 2 bags in here with all the pieces you need for that FX Impact buttstock. So let's go ahead and go over how that is going to go together and assembly of such. Your butt pad is already gonna have the backing plate installed. With a 4mm Allen key is all you're gonna need. In these back holes, you've got 2 bolts. You'll want to remove one entirely, and the other you can just loosen. Now, if you pivot that, you can see how you're getting all your adjustment. Now, the post that goes into the clamping block also has this screw in it that is a 4mm. So you're going to remove that, install the post in the front, and reinstall the screw. So now this is where you're going to have your adjustment to make the gun fit you. And it's important now that you've assembled it, you understand how all this works. So you can loosen that, and that's going to be your adjustment in your butt plate. Once you get it fixed where you want it, lock that down, rotate your butt pad back into place, and now you can tighten up those 4mm screws. Snug both of those up. Now you're ready for the next step. So factory gun has that thumb wheel on it to hold the buttstock. Remove that. Now some of you are really going to want a really solid grip on this adjustability. So we've included a little washer that's going to give you that extra clamping force, okay? Now we're looking at the buttstock. It's going to be on this left side facing forward, okay? And the washer will go between the side plates of the gun and right there, if you can see that. So now if we're prying those side plates apart just a little bit, this piece installs. Easy to get that little washer aligned in there with an Allen key. And now back to the thumb wheel. So just snug that up, and now we're going to install your buttstock. So this piece, now you can adjust your length of pull, and you can fine tune it to wherever you want on the adjustment. Snug up that thumb screw with that washer in this lockup is very solid. Final, and probably the easiest step, is going to be the bag rider. So there's a dovetail in the bottom of that buttstock, the clamping plate. The bag rider is going to go in, and you're going to snug up the 2 set screws in there. Voila, it's all ready to go. All the hardware you need is included in this. The only thing you'll need extra is some Allen keys to do the tightening or adjusting of the buttstock.